Danish Remoulade. To make this lovely dressing, then we will be using all of these ingredients listed here and here. For starters, then we will need to peel the carrot and chop it up. And we are steaming this so all the flavors are kept in the carrot itself instead of boiling it. While it is being steamed, then we can go ahead and finally chop our onion. We just need about 1/4 of an onion, but finally chop that and put it aside. Then we can chop up our pickles, and for that we need about 6 small pickles and 4 teaspoons of capers. We can mix all the ingredients in the blender and get that all blended together. When our carrots slide off the fork super easily like so, then they are done. In a bowl, then we can add the mayonnaise and our blended vegetables. Give that a stir, and then we can go ahead and add our spices. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of mustard. If you don't like it spicy, then you can just use 1, and then 1 teaspoon of turmeric for the color and 2 teaspoons of curry powder. A bit of salt and pepper to taste. So the amount is totally up to you. You can always add a little bit extra if you feel it is necessary after mixing it. Mix this very well together so it is fully incorporated, and then you should have a very yellowish sauce with a bit of chunks in it, which is very iconic for this sauce, but it is very nice to have a little bit of a bite in it. This sauce resembles the Japanese taru sauce or tartare sauce a little bit as well, but the ingredients are slightly different.
Perfect.
And then we need to put this sauce on something, so we can go ahead and fry some fish fillets in lots and lots of butter. Just fry them for a couple of minutes on each side and then set them aside. So remoulade is a very nice dressing for a lot of toppings for open sandwiches, but also works very well for French fries or for fried fish, for example. And we had some fish available, so why not give it a go with that? No, that is amazing. It's so nice, and it's a little bit spicy dressing compared to mayonnaise, for example, but it really works very well with fried fish or French fries. So if you want to watch more Danish recipes like this remoulade here, then make sure to subscribe and leave a like. We are uploading every single Tuesday, so make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. And otherwise, then thank you very much for watching this time, and I will see you in the next one. Vi ses!